bike when you got back into riding?
Man, that Striker, man.
Oh, the Striker.
Yeah.
So how long have you had the Striker?
Since 12.
12.
Yep.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. You planning on holding on to that one?
I don't know. If I wind up getting that Gold Wing, I might have to give up a bike or two.
Yeah, I mean, well, I see why, because it's a cruiser, so, I mean, you might, if you're going to be upgrading to another cruiser, I can see the thinking behind that.
Right.
Like, for me, the only bike I'm missing is, you know, that off-road, that ST or, you know, something, a smaller street bike. That's about the only thing I can say I'm missing.
Right, right.
So I want to test ride that bike that Greg and Vaughn are all into right now.
The Tracer, yeah. The Tracer GT looks pretty good, don't it?
Yeah, but a lot of guys are comparing it. They're just saying it's like a smaller version of the FJR.
Right.
I don't know how true that is, but I can't wait to test ride it.
Yeah, it looks like a pretty capable bike. So.
Around the same price range as the FJR, though. Pricey.
So what made you get into riding?
Man, my buddy Ray, really, he bought a Harley and posted it on Facebook, man.
Right.
I had been telling myself I was going to get me a bike for years, but I never learned how to ride, you know, and so just, I don't know, seeing that post and all the pictures he had, him and his wife traveling, and it's kind of like he sold it to me without even trying. I was like, oh man, I gotta get into this thing, you know.
So they were traveling, huh?
Yeah, they were rolling. He went from Florida to from Fort Myers, Florida to like Atlanta, Georgia,
right,
with his wife on the back of a fat Bob.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I said if they can do that, you know, on a Harley, I said if I get a bigger bike, maybe me and my wife could ride. So I talked Terry into taking our riding class for our anniversary. That was November 2014. Our anniversary is on the 1st of December. So I wanted to have it done before our anniversary.
Right.
Go look at some bikes and, you know, do the whole thing.
Right.
And unfortunately, she didn't make it all the way through the class. She said it wasn't her thing. Shifting those gears wasn't really her thing.
Yeah, I can understand that. A lot of people had trouble with that.
Well, it was kind of my fault. It's our fault. She didn't have the right boots, the right shoes on.
Okay.
The boots that she had a big long heel on them, and we couldn't find her any boots when shopping that would work at that time of night. The only thing open was Walmart. So they told her, they said those might be a problem with those long heels. Sure enough, that's what the issue was. So
okay.
She kept throwing it into neutral. Couldn't figure it out. She just kind of gave in. But I said, you know what? As long as I can ride, and I was just fine. So as long as I can ride, you can ride with me.
Right.
Got my class done, and I had already been looking at bikes. And then that Monday, I went and took my exam. Tuesday, I went and picked out the FJR. Wednesday, picked it up. Right there at Yamaha Fun Center.
Okay.
I had to trail it because it was drizzling, and like I said, I was just a new rider, and I knew better than to try to ride that thing home, the Eagle Pass from Bernie.
Oh yeah, man, that's a.
I knew.
Forget that. That's suicide, man.
So I put it on the trailer, man, like a smart guy.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, man, and it took me. That night I got it off the trailer, and that night I did a couple figure eights in our cul-de-sac just to make sure I could still, you know, keep my thing.
Right.
I had kept it in a touring mode for a while, and for about a month I would just go around the neighborhood. We only had like 3 streets in our subdivision at the time, so
right.
I would just go up and down those streets, and go about 20 miles an hour, no faster, and just work on my maneuvers, you know, and my slow speed maneuvers, because those are the ones that get you in trouble. So once I knew I had those down, I could do U-turns and stuff. Then I said, all right, let me hit the street. You know, then I got on the street. The speed was like 45, so I was going about 45 miles an hour. Back up. I finally got on the highway one day, and that was that day I was telling you when I popped that wheelie. Coming back off the highway to the freeway, I popped the wheelie. And that was all she wrote after that. I was like, all right, I guess I popped my cherry that time. Antique horse and buggy ride. Oh, nobody's in there.
Guess he's getting ready for business tonight. We are in downtown San Antonio. Smitty's. Hopefully someone showed up. And looks like there's a few more bikes. I ain't staying here too long. All right, made it. That's a nice looking bike there. So this is Smitty's clubhouse. Thursday night, this is the spot where people come and show off their bikes, hang out, fellowship for a while.
I like it out.
Well, that's all right. I think I did what you did in a similar fashion. After I bought my bike, the Striker,
Yeah.
I just practiced in the neighborhood for a little bit. I wasn't used to 1,300 cc's, so, and I just took my time doing that before I actually got on the real roads. And yeah, it was all good.
Yeah, I see a lot of guys post online, like the newcomers that come on and they just got that bike, and you know it's their first time, and I'm like, man, I just hope they're as smart as I was when I did mine. You know, be smart about it. It can be done, but you just got to be smart about it.
Yeah, exactly.
Be careful, you know. Be doing too much. Really.
Now I wouldn't have a Hayabusa as a first bike.
No.
I know some people who've done that.
That's crazy, man. That is crazy. I would never do that. I wouldn't recommend that to anybody.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I would not.
That's just asking for trouble.
Yeah, you are. Hey, so what mode do you have your audio on? Is it Ultra HD or is it normal mode? Do you know?
You know, I don't know.
Okay.
I actually don't know.
So I wonder,
Probably in HD.
yeah, I wonder if that's why my thing keeps shutting off. Maybe I should be in normal mode.
What's it doing?
I mean, it's not shutting off, but your voice isn't coming through like the last time. So I wonder if I got the wrong mode setting. I don't know. We'll see if this works. We'll see if this firmware downgrade works.
Trial and error.
Yeah.
We're gonna get it right one of these times.
One of these times. It worked one time. I used it with this headset and my SMH-10, and it worked pretty well.
Yeah, the SMH-10 to me ran a lot smoother.
Yeah.
Until I got used to this thing. Like the whole Fort Davis trip was ruined because I didn't know how to really work the 20S. I ordered it because Terry was riding with me, so I wanted us to be, you know, to be able to communicate. So I gave her my SMH-10.
Right.
Not mastering the 20S. So when I was vlogged solo, my audio was all jacked up.
Really?
I didn't know anything about it. I didn't even know if I was recording half the time. The SMH-10, I knew my way around that one.
Yeah.
I should have just used that the whole ride and gave her the 20S.
Yeah, probably so. Hindsight's 2020.
Yep. I had a lot of footage. Only one that I actually was able to use was when I went down the mountain. I posted that one.
Okay.
I had a lot of footage that I lost. I had to really. I still have the footage. I'd have to do a lot of narration. There really ain't much to talk about.
Yeah, you have to do a voiceover over it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a good trip when I went out there. I had a good time.
Yeah.
Gonna have to do that again. Dude, I am getting tired of politics, brother.
Oh my goodness.
Golly, man.
And this whole Bill Cosby thing, and
Yeah, Bill Cosby got caught out there, man.
got caught with his pants down, literally.
Yeah, literally.
You know,
Messed up his legacy on that one.
it's sad that it's happening to him now, but I mean, hey, he did it.
He did it. Gotta pay the price.
Gotta pay the price, man. You can't escape this world without paying the price.
Yeah, one way or another.
Somebody gonna get you. Yeah.
So are you using the GoPro?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm on the Hero 4.
You got a 4 or 3?
I have the 4,
All right.
GP10.
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna order another 4, but probably off of eBay refurbished.
There you go.
Get them for like 100, 120 bucks.
I don't know what's up with GoPro, man. They need to have all this stuff integrated in their newer cameras. The dual vlog capability.
They made a new adapter, but they only made it for 5 and up, which, you know, that's all about money.
Exactly.
It's up hanging. I don't need a new camera. I like this.
Yeah, this is fine.
Works fine.
It's good enough. Yeah, I'm using the Garmin Verb as my helmet cam, and I got the GoPro on my handlebar. So I've got 2 other guys who may want to do that 3 sister ride with us. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna plan a route for that.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of liked how we did it the first time. We did, kind of did a loop around thing.
Right.
I think we did it in reverse order.
Yeah, I think we did.
Yeah, I like that one.
It's an all-day ride, though.
Yep. Depending on how hot it is, how cool it is, it has to be early in the morning.
Yeah.
Real early.
Well, the temperature should be doable
Yeah.
in October.
That's why, I mean, all year I've been looking forward to this time of the year for that ride. Did you say you was going to ride out to Canada?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it next year.
Next year.
Yeah.
Man, that sounds like fun.
Yeah, I gotta save up my vacation, and I already got the route picked out. So, just gotta go ahead and do it.
It's going to be on the ST, I assume.
Oh yeah. Unless I have a gold wing by then, but yeah, the ST is probably the bike to go.
Yeah, even so. For the rugged terrain.
Yep.
Gonna be hitting any rough roads?
I think so. I'm gonna check out Moab in Utah, and I'm sure there's some pretty cool areas to ride up in Canada. You know, dirt, gravel type roads. So I'm gonna try to hit some of those.
That's the thing. That's the thing that makes me think, man. Like, man, I need to grab one more bike. You know,
Yeah, brother.
one more bike, man.
If you ever feel like doing it, you can do it.
Exactly. Give me maybe something small with a smaller displacement.
Right. You don't need a 1200.
No.
An 800 will do just fine.
For me being a heavier guy, I need something that preserves fuel.
Right.
You know.
All right, brother. I'll holler at you.
All right, man. Peace.
Be safe.
All right.